Get acquainted with the 2023 Honda HR-V. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. This Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cleverness. Come in for a test drive experience and take a closer look.